Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your lost Snapchat streak. So first of all, what you have to do is just open up your Snapchat application on your mobile and then click on your profile icon in the upper and then click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. Scroll down and below this support tab, click on this I need help. Click on this contact us option and then select I lost my Snapchat streak, and here you will see a form that you need to fill out. The first two options are already filled, which are the username and email. So jump to the third option and enter your mobile number. After entering the mobile number, you need to enter your smartphone name. Make sure that it includes brand, model and model series. So enter your phone's name. After that, you need to mention your friend username with whom you lost your Snapchat streak. Now enter how long your Snapchat streak was before it expired. Mine was 210. And then for the second last option that says did you see the time icon, all you have to do is click on this drop down and tap on no. Now this final description box is very important. Here you need to state that the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I am writing here. Once you have stated down your issue, all you have to do is to click on this send option in yellow color. Once you click on send, you will receive a response from Team Snapchat and your Snapchat streaks will be recovered. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.